everyone and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl and today we will discuss how to get paid $800 easily just by using a free AI technology. Every day, millions of people use Google to search for information, read, watch videos, or visit websites because it is one of the world's largest companies. But did you know there's a way to make a lot of money easily just by using Google? Using the secret technique, a tiny group of people is quietly banking $1,000 or even $5,000. This special information was never shared with the public until today because in this video, I'll be revealing and exposing everything to you so that you too may take advantage of a little-known Google technique. If you have a smartphone or a computer with an internet connection, you may do this for free because this method is entirely free and works worldwide. If you stick with me to the end, I'll be giving you a completely free tool that you can use to significantly increase your earnings. People would normally spend hours attempting to make approximately $1,000, but if you know this secret tool and trick, you can easily make up to $300 for each and even more in as little as 30 minutes. The first step for you is to go to Google and type in the phrase Google News. Continue to watch and follow what I'm doing to get paid from Google, and you'll see that there's a lot of various news on Google. You'll see that Google will try to group all of the news into one of the most popular groups: business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health, for example, are some of the most popular things to watch. Let's say I go to the health area and I'm directed to this website, where I can learn more about health issues. Now that we've moved on, I'd want to choose one of these articles because they're all really professional. Using Google News and other people's articles, which are quite professional, you can actually make money. Simply take a sentence or a paragraph from the page and paste it into your document. Step 2 is to go to spinbot.com, which is a free application and program that allows you to spin articles. The principle is simple. Right now, they effectively have two boxes. This is the first box when you can fill all the text to recreate the article. Simply copy and paste the paragraph from the page into this box and it will appear as I scroll down below. This software will assist me in entirely reworking this entire paragraph of the article. Simply click the I am not a robot button, followed by the go button. As you can see, it's literally just one click away from assisting you in fully rewriting the material into a new article. Some of you may already be aware of the method's effectiveness. You may use Google's capabilities, particularly Google News, to find a range of current topics and popular articles written by others. So moving forward, we could use AI, namely Spinbot, to rewrite the articles into a truly original content, and we could monetize these brand new articles, particularly through PayPal, bank transfers, and other payment methods. Step 3 is to simply go to numerous websites and get paid when you've successfully rewritten a few articles. I'll show you 3 different websites in this video and make sure you watch to the end and learn all about them. Because the more websites you join, the more money you'll make. For website number 1, go to textbroker.com. When you go to the homepage, click I write content button and then click on this button. Then they'll show you your potential gains as well as the amount of money you can expect to receive. They will give you a rating to 2 to 5 stars based on the quality of your articles, with different grades paying you different sums per written word. There is no requirement for you to write any articles. You don't even need to know how to write. You don't even need any technology or previous knowledge to do this. All you have to do is to go to Google News and look for basic professional articles that have already been published. Then, using the power of Spinbot, completely rewrite the content and articles. That is how Google pays us, and anyone can do it. You should be able to get 4 to 5 star ratings, especially if you employ Google content of good quality. For each word, we should be paid between 1.4 and 5 cents. Let's imagine you can get a 5-star rating for the quality of your work, which you may easily obtain if you start with a Google article. If you write a 2,100 word article, you may expect to earn about $100 from it. This is one of the simplest ways for brand new beginners to take advantage of the strategy to make some of the fastest money online I've seen in a long time. And guess what? A single article can earn you up to $255 unless you can find a long article up to 5,000 words. As you can see, Google has similar themes and you may search and merge 3 to 5 different articles into one single piece. From there, you can easily adjust the word count to make more money with this service. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Moving on to the second website, IWriter. Go to IWriter.com to see how you can make money by just submitting articles. In general, there are 5 basic steps to getting paid. The first step is to sign up for a free account. Step 2 is to decide the area you'd like to work in and what kind of articles you'd like to write. And step 3 is to submit your articles. Then step 4 is to evaluate them once they've been authorized. And step 5 is for them to pay you. They will pay you a very great salary and you will be able to make a varied amount of money depending on the bundles that consumers purchase. Assume you can create a 150 article for $4.07 in the most popular bundle and a 3,000 word post for $6 to $8 in the most popular bundle. The good news is that you can rise to the Elite Plus level if you provide high quality items such as those from Google News. So you can see here, if you made up to 3,000 words, you can earn $217.50, which is a really good amount of money. You can use the same content again and submit it for both IWriter.com and textbroker.com. Once you've signed up for a few different websites, you can earn money from a single article in various ways. Registration is absolutely free and available to anyone from anywhere on the planet. And right now, we're going to go to the website number 3, scripted.com. They're basically going to pay you for any articles you write. Simply click the Become a Writer button at the top of the website to be taken to this page, where you can apply to work as unscripted freelancer. You can work in any field and in a wide range of categories, which is why Google and Google News are so useful. They really did cover the most popular and trending topics that people are most interested in. Technology, entertainment, science, and even health are among the most well-known. And there is a range of news and article sites available, all of which are continually updated. You can use an AI technology called Spinbot to rewrite the articles into brand new content, which is extremely cool and very beginner-friendly for anyone who wants to get started. Once again, payment is guaranteed. What do you think about this easy money-making strategy? Please share them in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all of the videos we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for this video. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Get financially smart with your Clever Money Girl. See ya!